Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And it's kind of like been a while now we make video on this channel. So, and we just talked about bringing in the new features that Kalodata just add to their platform. So, we're gonna be exploring, and even with myself, I'm gonna be exploring the platform, so we can see what is new and what we need to apply in order to get more sales through the platform. So yesterday I was just checking around the platform, and I just noticed that they are trying to also play around the AI feature kind of. So they just added these features, which is just ask get powered by AI on the platform. So you can also see all this, mention the analysis targets. You can also add an image for the AI to analyze the image as well. And I have 3 credit remaining on this search. So you can see assign a task or ask anything about your TikTok, Shopee, and Amazon business. So these are basically what you can ask about. You can ask about seller analysis, account analysis, product selection suggestions. You can also see the influencer marketing, and then video creation, then Kalodata usage query inquiry as well. So scrolling all the way down, you can see you still have the hot selling ranking product just as it used to be. And since I have known for Kalodata, all these kind of supplement products are used to be the one that are getting the highest sales on the platform. So but I think this is lip gloss, or I think this is collagen literally. This is a balm, I guess. So then you can see this what's it called? It's charging or something like that. Cordless pressure washer. Okay, this is a pressure washer people are for car, something like that. There is a blanket. I think there is a lot of updates on the platform, and a lot of new products are actually ranking on the platform as well. So scrolling all the way down, we also see some new features, new blog posts, and all that. So the AI ask also is also on at the down right here, where you see ask about anything on screen. So this is basically me asking about what is this particular product is all about. So if I click on this more ranking product, so we can see some other products as well. You can see top creators, can see top shops, scroll all the way down to top videos and top live streaming products. So you can see all this one right there. So you can see right there. Let me check on this one. Alright, so I don't want to get violated on this video, so let's check on this.
30 seconds. Who's it gonna be, Jack?
So more of like me just wearing the mouse on the video, then you see what is inside.
Look at how comfy they are. Like sleeping with a giant cold marshmallow pillow. They're squishy, they're soft, they are so comfy.
Yeah, that's so fluffy. I don't know, that's like, I like it. So see this one too.
Best advice I've ever gotten from a Korean woman was to put down the American eyelash serum and pick up the Korean eyelash serum, because look at the Korean.
So these are top videos and ads, right? So this one are ads. You can see ads underneath. You can see ads. You can see ads underneath. So let's check on this. Sorry, let's check on this.
So in case your mama never taught you how to take care of your body the same way you do your face, I am going to share
the craziest part is that you can even download this video, and you can also see the transcription. So let's say for example you have a video like this, you want to do a video like this, so you can see, you can copy the same styles, you know.
At
So
first
this
I was
is
like, dang, a
another
stick
one.
vacuum that leaves those crispy lines on my carpet and has better suction power than my $500 stick vacuum. But then I found out that there's something that nobody's talking about with this vacuum.
Right, so all this make a lot of sense, right? I literally like it. So there are some other features we would like to also check, because I really want to test this AI feature and see how it works. So let me put in on this. So ask anything on screen. So let's try to see what can you tell me, what can you tell me about the comfort dreamer blanket. Okay, so this pops up. So Pilot is searching for it. So let's see what it's gonna come up with, and if exactly it's gonna come up with the particular product that I just searched for, because they say something is on screen. So all right. So you can see I think the thinking completed. The user is asking about the comfort dreamer blanket. This appear to be a specific product. Yeah. So then scroll down, fetch TikTok product. So I think it's fetch the right product, exactly the product I saw while typing. So these are some other products I saw, which of course is also suggest. So it suggests different products, right? But the most important thing is that it suggested the particular product that I saw on the screen while I typed. So you can see right there. So we're gonna see the product. So you can see this is the exact product. So ship from local. So this is the price of the product. The shipping fee is free. Commission rate 10% for affiliate. Then you can also see generate promo video, which is also make it more easier. So scrolling down, you see the items sold. Then you see the average sales, average unit revenue so far generated by the product. Then you see some other features, which is AI unlock, product details and selling points. So the membership require upgrade to professional. I was using professional mode before. So scrolling all the way down, then you see top creators that are bringing in the revenue to this product, right? You can also check on their page to see the video that they did on their page about that particular product. So let's try to check that. The fast track girl. Let's scroll down to check on the page if you are going to see the video. I think this is it. Can you see that? Let's check on this. Okay, this is image test post. What about this image test post? This is a video. Image test post are currently available to be displayed. So it is not displayed. It is not displayed. This one too. Alright, so you understand what I'm trying to show you, right? So I'm gonna close this. Then you can also explore. I think there's an upgrade to this page, to this section. You can see category list, brand and shops, creator, products, video and art. So more of like different from what we have before, where we just have everything under the category listed, right? So you can just explore, and if you don't have Kalodata subscription, you can use the link in the description to subscribe to Kalodata, and you get 7 days free trial for free. You don't have to input your card or anything. So right, so you can see I was using professional mode before the updates, and you can see all these features right here. So yeah.